So who are you and what are you doing?
I'm Grace and I'm taking apart this whole bunch of stuff to sell the good parts to buy a bike.
Okay, you're going to need a lot of parts to be able to buy a bike.
I've known that.
What kind of bike do you want?
Maybe, since I've never learned how to use a bike without training wheels, one of those kinds with 3 wheels.
A tricycle?
Yeah.
That's not a bike, that's a tricycle.
Oh, it's big. I mean a big one. They have them at Sam's Club.
Well, we can
I want the red one.
You want the red one?
Yeah.
Well, maybe we should help you earn the money to get a red bike and teach you how to ride it without the training wheels. Tell me about all the tools that you have and what you're doing here.
Well, I have this screwdriver, and I'm trying to get out all these screws, which are really hard to get out, surprisingly. And I have this, whatever this is called, my torque wrench, that's 10. That doesn't work very much. And you can really use it adjustable, but sometimes it just doesn't look like it is adjusting. And then my magnifying glass, another screwdriver, real adjustable wrench that won't fall off like this one did. And then screwdriver set, which I have some stuff out of it. This was in line, but I took all the pieces out because I was using it. I got adjustable stuff and all. My Yaesu pen, and my scissors, and a little tool thing. Still haven't gotten the pliers yet. Zachariah is still using them.
So tell me about the parts that you got here and what you're going to do with them and how you're going to get a bike out of these parts.
I'm going to sell them. Here's some motor pile and a gear thingy, some buttons. A bunch more buttons from a remote. This is a trash pile. Some pieces that I don't know what they're called, screws, some springs.
So have you been blowing your nose on that?
No, that's my grease thing.
For cleaning up grease?
Yeah.
Okay, so how much money do you have in parts here right now? How far do you think you got to go to get a bike?
I don't know.
A long way?
Yeah. Anyway, I'm going to keep getting this screw out.